A very good morning to all my dear students. So today actually your online class was there. So because of the clashes with the offline classes, I'm just posting this video. So you have to go through it and just solve the questions. Okay. So exercise 11.4. Yesterday I gave you a task that you have to write the conversion of units. Okay. Now we'll start exercise 11.4 in which we are going to use conversion of units. Okay, one by one when we will solve the examples, the questions you will understand. So 11.4 first question is very simple. What is given to you? That a rectangular garden is there. Okay, ये आप देख सकते हैं, a rectangular garden. I have drawn a picture. So inside it is a garden. Its length is 90 meter and breadth is 75 meter. Okay, and outside this rectangular garden a path is made. Okay, garden के चारों ओर एक path बनाया है whose width is 5 meter. So this width is 5 meter, this width is 5 meter. So the question is, what is the area of path? Simple question है. तो आपको area of path निकालना है. Then you will have to find out the area of outer rectangle. You will have to find out the area of inner rectangle and then subtract them. Okay. So first of all, we will see the inner rectangle. So for the inner rectangle, length is, I'm representing it by small l, 90 meter, and breadth is small b, which is 75 meter. And area will be L into B, length into breadth, which is 90 into 75. So it will be 6750 meter square. ये आपका आ गया garden का area. Now you have to calculate the outer rectangle. आउटर रेक्टेंगल के लिए आपकी जो लेंथ हो जाएगी, इट विल बी 90 + 5 + 5 विच इज़ 100. नाउ 5 मीटर इस साइड है एंड 5 मीटर इस साइड है. बोथ साइड्स 5 + 5 विल गिव यू 10. सो 90 + 10 विल बी 100. सिमिलरली द विड्थ वॉज 75 मीटर. ये विड्थ आपकी 75 मीटर की थी. 75 + 10 विल बिकम 85 मीटर. सो द न्यू एरिया will be length into breadth again, because this is a rectangle. It will be 8500 meter square. So what is the area of the path? Area of path is outer area minus inner area, which is 1750 meter square. So this is the first part. And they have also told you that you have to calculate the area of garden in hectare. Okay, hectare जो रहती है ये area की एक unit है, you all know. Commercial unit है, so you have to divide. So for that, this conversion we are using. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Now your area of garden is, you have already calculated, 6750 meter square. Just divide it by 10,000. It will be 0.675 hectares. Okay. So this is how you have to do the questions. Now exactly same like question number 1, you have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 will be homework for today. You have to complete those two questions. And now we'll see the fourth question. Now you can see the fourth question. It is also the similar. Okay, इसमें आपके पास you are given a room. Okay, a room is given and outside the room a veranda is made. And width जो है veranda की, that is also given to you. Okay, and then you have to calculate the cost of cementing the veranda at the rate of 200 per meter square. Now length of the room represented by small l, breadth small b, which is 5.5 meter is length and breadth is 4 meter. So first of all you will calculate the area of room, which is L into B, so it will be 22 meter square. Now new length when veranda is included. अब घर के चारों ओर veranda बनाया है. Okay, so it will be 10 meter because some width is given to you that I have added. Just check in your textbook. Okay, so it will be 10 meter. Okay, how much it is given? 4.5 meter का veranda बाहर बनाया है. So 5.5 plus 4.5 will give you 10 meter and breadth, new breadth will be 8.5 meter. So the new area of the room when veranda is included, then it will be 85 meter square. So what is the area of veranda? It is 85 minus 22, which will give you 63 meter square. तो ये आ गया आपका veranda का area. Now it is given that cost of cementing the veranda is 200 per meter square. यानी कि 1 मीटर स्क्वायर को सीमेंटेड करने का 200 रुपीज़ लेते हैं. सो व्हाट विल बी द टोटल कॉस्ट? जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 63 by 200 and it will give you 12,600 rupees. Okay, so it's also very simple. So you can draw a diagram also here. So the same way like this you have to do this question also. Okay, now we'll see the last question for today, which is question number 5. Now you can see the fifth question, where it is given that you are having a square garden. First a square garden is given, you can see the diagram. Square garden की जो side है it is 30 meter. Okay, so first we'll calculate the area of garden, which is side into side, so 900 meter square. Now new side, now this time the difference is in this question is path is made in the garden but it is inside the garden and उसकी width है 1 meter. Okay, so new side of the garden when path is not included. Now this time you have to subtract. Okay, side कितनी थी 30, so 1 from here 1 from here 2, so 30 minus 2 will give you 28 meters. So let me just write it. So 30 minus 2 will give you 28 meter. तो जो आपका अंदर का स्क्वायर बन रहा है it is actually the garden. ये जो है बाहर का this will become the path. So area of the actual garden is 28 into 28, which is 784 meter square. Okay, so what is the area of garden when path is not included? When path is not included, okay, so area of garden when path is not included is the complete minus the inside. So actually this is area of the garden, area of the path you can say. So it will be 900 minus 784, so the answer will be 116 meter square. Okay, now what is the cost of planting grass? Now as I told you, this is the area of the garden. Okay, और इस गार्डन में आपको घास उगानी है and the cost of planting grass is ₹40 per meter square. So you will just multiply the area of garden 784 by 40. So the answer is 31,360. Okay, so this is the cost of planting grass in the garden, 31,360. So I hope the questions are very simple. You just have to understand the language, the question, and complete the questions in steps proper. And you can take the help of the diagram also. Okay, so the same way you have to complete till question number 5. Okay, so 3 questions we have done, 2 questions you have to do. So complete till question number 5 and we'll stop here. So that's all for today. Thank you.